Hello again, and welcome back everyone to another exciting week of statistics, where here we are going to be moving on into our second unit, beginning with Chapter 3. We've only got 2 sections this week. It's nice to take a half step slower after our first exam, but we're going to be moving on into some of my favorite material of the semester. It's my favorite material for completely sentimental reasons, because I get to do obnoxious stuff like throw dice at the camera and take my cards out of the pack and just see what things they can do, although I really hope they'd fanned a bit more excitingly than that. But anyway, we're talking about probabilities here. So with this stuff, we're going to begin in 3.1 looking at the basics of probability, the types of probability we can talk about, how we can compute some basic values in terms of what are called simple events, as well as look at ways that things can and cannot happen in terms of a thing called a complement. And then in 3.2, we're going to start looking at how you can put multiple events together in terms of a thing called conditional probability and the multiplication rule. And for this section, we're going to have a couple bits of homework due next week for 3.1 and 3.2 in my lab, along with our standard worksheet for this week. I don't know why I'm trying to get ahead of myself just yet. We've still got a long way to go. And then from there, we have a pre-assessment for week 5 and our first challenge problem for those of you that want to get some extra points towards your exam score coming off of our first exam. But anyway, it's time to get into some probabilities. I'll see you in the next video.